Good morning. Welcome to my hotel. My name is Clay Pinson, your personal butler. May I know your full name, sir?
I am Rodin Perez.
To serve you, Mr. Perez. May I assist with your luggage? This way, sir. Please relax while I get your registration form, sir. Here is your registration form, sir. Kindly fill it out. And don't forget your signature. Mr. Perez. I'll be back with your ticket, Mr. Perez. In Active 213, our presidential suite. Let's proceed to our elevator. This way, sir. In our left is restaurant, open 24/7. Ahead is indoor pool and jacuzzi. And on the right is outdoor pool and massage spa. For you, Mr. Perez. We have a cinema, shopping area, and more restaurant in the hotel. After you, Mr. Perez. Permission, we have fire extinguisher and emergency exit in our hotel. We're here, Mr. Perez. Can I borrow your key card? Thank you. Let me check the room for your stay. We're all set. Your room is ready to use. Please. In your room has a hot and cold shower and amenities. You can reach me by pressing 0 on the phone. Enjoy your stay. After service. Good morning, Mr. Perez. Checking out the room? Yes. Would you like to assist with your luggage? Yes, please. This way, sir. This way to the lobby, sir. Please sit. Please wait while I get your bill, sir. Can I borrow your key card? Thank you, Mr. Perez. Here's your bill, sir. How would you like to pay? Cash or credit card?
Credit card, please.
Okay, can I borrow credit card? Here's your receipt, Mr. Perez. Your bill has been paid. The car is already outside, Mr. Perez. Please. Glad to be your personal butler, Mr. Perez. Stay in my hotel, sir. Have a nice day.